everybody, my name is Memo. I'm 8 years old and today I'm gonna talk about the secret language of cats. Cats don't communicate like people, but we can understand them through their body language, like eyes, ears, tail, body posture, or sounds like hissing or purring. This is an example of a happy cat. Tail straight up, slightly curved. Ears straight, eyes open, body showing its stomach, and sometimes purring. Scared cat signals. Fur straight, tail puffed, eyes open, ears slightly curved. Angry cat signals. Ears flat, eyes pulled back, hissing and sometimes showing its teeth and claws. Today we learned about the secret language of cats. Thanks for watching. Listening.